The Royal Royce Wraith 2026 stands as one of the most refined and highly engineered luxury coupes of its generation, capturing an iconic blend of craftsmanship, modernity, and powerful road presence. As the automotive world continues to evolve with rapid advancements, the Wraith 2026 emerges as a masterpiece that not only embraces innovation but preserves the timeless elegance that the brand has always represented. In this complete review, the Gear Era channel brings you a detailed, sophisticated, and deeply informative exploration of the design language, power delivery, interior craftsmanship, ride comfort, technology suite, safety features, and the overall driving experience of this remarkable model, making it easier for luxury car enthusiasts and potential buyers to understand what makes the Royal Royce Wraith 2026 a standout choice in the premium coupe segment. From the moment the Wraith 2026 comes into view, its presence delivers a sense of dominance and royal prestige. The exterior design carries forward the unmistakable silhouette that the Wraith has been known for, but with new refinements that make it even more dynamic. Smooth body lines combine with bold aerodynamic enhancements, while the signature elongated hood and gracefully sloping roofline contribute to an iconic coupe profile. The front fascia adopts a more modern interpretation of the classic grille, accompanied by advanced pixel LED headlights that enhance visibility and style. Subtle chrome details add a layer of sophistication, while the updated wide body stance gives the car an even more commanding look on the road. Overall, the Wraith 2026 remains faithful to the brand's legacy while presenting a contemporary and athletic appearance that aligns with modern luxury expectations. Moving to the powertrain, the Royal Royce Wraith 2026 offers a finely tuned engine that blends performance with smoothness. While the brand continues to prioritize a whisper-quiet driving experience, the Wraith does not compromise on power. Its V12 engine delivers an impressive output that allows this large coupe to accelerate effortlessly, making long journeys smooth and confident. The engineering team has worked extensively on reducing engine noise and enhancing thermal efficiency, resulting in an improved response and more stable performance across various road conditions. The torque delivery remains instant, ensuring that the car moves with authority even at low speeds. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and a finely calibrated suspension system, the Wraith 2026 feels planted, stable, and exceptionally smooth, keeping the signature magic carpet ride intact. The steering system also sees improvements, offering more precision without sacrificing comfort, making the car equally enjoyable for city cruising and highway driving. Inside the cabin, the Royal Royce Wraith 2026 elevates luxury to another level. Every surface is crafted with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, natural wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and customizable interior themes. The seating comfort stands out as one of the finest in the automotive industry, offering multi-way adjustability, heating, ventilation, massage functions, and an ergonomic profile that ensures maximum comfort even during long travel hours. The cabin insulation has been further improved to ensure a serene, quiet environment that isolates passengers from external noise. Passengers experience a sense of calm, almost as if floating above the road. The panoramic starlit roof enhances the ambience, creating a breathtaking visual experience during night drives. Subtle ambient lighting and customizable color tones allow each owner to personalize their environment, making the Wraith 2026 not only a vehicle, but a personal sanctuary of comfort and artistry. Technology integration in the Royal Royce Wraith 2026 is seamless and intelligent. The infotainment system features an updated interface that is more intuitive and responsive, with high-resolution displays and advanced voice recognition. Wireless connectivity, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system contribute to a complete entertainment experience. The navigation system has been upgraded with real-time data and improved accuracy for long-distance traveling. The car also comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance technologies that enhance safety without taking away from the purity of driving. Adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, collision prevention systems, night vision, and a 360-degree camera ensure that every journey remains safe and controlled. Even with all these modern features, the interior design retains a classic charm, balancing digital convenience with traditional craftsmanship. In terms of comfort and ride quality, the Wraith 2026 excels through its newly refined suspension system that adapts to road conditions with exceptional precision. This system works in harmony with road scanning sensors that predict imperfections and adjust damping in real time. The result is a seamless glide, offering unmatched smoothness that defines the pinnacle of luxury motoring. Even in sports mode, the Wraith manages to stay composed, offering a balance between performance and comfort that few vehicles can achieve. Despite its power, the car remains incredibly stable at high speeds due to its aerodynamic enhancements and strengthened chassis. Whether on highways or winding roads, the Wraith 2026 delivers a ride experience that feels both powerful and peaceful, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Practical features have also been thoughtfully integrated. The boot offers generous space for a luxury coupe, and the interior compartments are designed with convenience in mind. Rear seating, though targeted mainly for premium comfort rather than high occupancy, provides ample space for shorter journeys and maintains the overall luxurious environment. The climate control system is exceptionally advanced, offering multi-zone temperature adjustment with enhanced filtration that ensures clean and fresh air at all times. Even small details, such as the tactile feel of the buttons, the softness of the leather, and the gentle click of well-crafted switches, contribute to a sense of craftsmanship that sets the Wraith apart from other performance luxury coupes. The Royal Royce Wraith 2026 also reflects the brand's commitment to sustainability and efficient engineering. Improved fuel efficiency, advanced battery systems for onboard electronics, and reduced emissions contribute to a more responsible and future-focused design. The structural improvements not only enhance safety but also reduce overall vehicle weight, contributing to better handling and performance. While the Wraith remains a symbol of exclusivity and luxury, its refined engineering ensures that it aligns with modern expectations and global standards. In conclusion, the Royal Royce Wraith 2026 represents a magnificent combination of engineering brilliance, artistic craftsmanship, and timeless luxury. For enthusiasts of premium coupes who seek performance, elegance, and unmatched comfort, this model stands as one of the strongest contenders in its class. It offers a level of refinement that remains difficult to compete with, making it a dream vehicle for many and a true milestone in luxury automotive design. This detailed review from Gear Era highlights the essence of what makes the Wraith 2026 a remarkable creation, offering viewers a deeper understanding of its capabilities, features, and presence. If you enjoyed this in-depth analysis presented by Gear Era and would like to stay updated with more automotive reviews, comparisons, and expert insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more premium content coming your way.